In today's video, I'll teach you how to install Westpac app on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Westpac. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Westpac and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find this option for install. Tap on it. Now wait for a while. While you wait, you can also simply scroll down and find out more about this application. You can also see the rating and reviews over here. Also, you'll be able to see the information regarding the data safety. You can also read this app yourself. If you want to read the reviews, simply scroll down and you'll be able to read the reviews too. After you do that, simply scroll back up, wait for a while. Now after a while, you can see over here Westpac application will be installed. You can simply open this application and start using. So like this, you'll be able to install it. So that is how you install Westpac app on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.